If you've been curious about crypto staking, but never really understood what it is, you're in the right place. I'm going to break it down completely, show you real numbers, and walk you through exactly how to start. No jargon, no fluff. Let's go. So, what is staking? The simple version, you take your existing crypto and lock it on a platform for a set period of time. In return, the platform pays you a fixed monthly reward on top of your deposit. Your original amount stays yours. You just earn on top of it every month, automatically. Think of it like a high-yield savings account for your crypto. No charts, no stress, no selling at the wrong time. On STAKIX, the rate is a fixed 6% every month. Here's what that looks like on real money. You deposit $1,000. After month 1, $60 earned. Balance $1,060. Month 3, $191 earned. Month 6, $434 earned. Month 12, your $1,000 becomes $1,720. That's a 72% annual return, compounded daily. Getting started takes under 3 minutes. Go to STAKIX.org and create your account. Deposit your crypto. USDT, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, and BNB are all supported. Pick your staking duration, 1, 3, 6, or 12 months. That's it. Rewards are calculated daily and credited to your account automatically every month. On security, STAKIX uses cold wallet storage, multi-layer encryption, SSL on every connection, and 99.9% platform uptime. Over $250 million processed. 120,000 active users worldwide. Before you deposit anything, use the free calculator at STAKIX.org. Type in your number, pick a duration, see your exact earnings in seconds. Zero commitment, the link is in the description, and if this was useful, subscribe, more passive income content every week.